It was a hot day today. It still is very hot outside, and still the chance over the next couple of hours for maybe a few thunderstorms. There is a little boundary that is moving through the area right now. It's really triggering some stronger storms across parts of lower Alabama and even into southern Mississippi, although the boundary here has been so far quiet. You can see those cloud tops that just explode north of Mobile with this boundary and the severe thunderstorm threat there. And again, there is the chance in the next couple of hours for a few out to our west, but as of right now and so far, nothing. We don't even see those towering cumulus, so that's a good thing. We don't need to deal with any storms, although it would be nice to get maybe a little bit of passing cloud cover because it is 91 degrees right now. But here is the killer, a dew point of 81. That makes it feel like, and this is incredible, 111 degrees. It does look like later in the week we're going to get a break from both the humidity and our temperatures, not dramatically, but a little bit. Today's high, again, 92, not quite the record and just a little bit above average, but it is that high humidity that just makes it feel so miserable outside. Temperatures in the 90s for most locations and very high humidity. That's going to be with us again tomorrow before we do start to get a break. Still waiting on word from the Weather Service as we will see another heat advisory. Obviously, either way, it is going to be another very hot day. Light winds out of the south, so you don't get a whole lot of a cooling breeze either. What is still pretty much in control, at least through tomorrow, is this upper high, but that is going to start to change. It's the upper high where we're talking about going back to last week that would allow for our temperatures to run well above normal. The upper high is going to kind of get suppressed a bit, but we are going to get kind of a storm track feature that will bring in numerous upper disturbances. What we're looking at here is the instability in the atmosphere. All of these chances for showers and thunderstorms. Some days we'll see a little bit greater coverage than others, but each day through the rest of the week we are going to see this instability rolling on through, and each day will at least have a chance of rainfall. Don't pay too much attention to these daily chances of rainfall. We're going to definitely see some rainfall, and some days we'll have a bit more than others, but I do think there will be at least a chance for some showers throughout the week and going into the weekend. Now, at the same time that we're going to see this storm track from the west bringing in several opportunities for storms, we're also going to see some upper troughing to our north. This should help to, one, really suppress that upper high farther to our west, so the real heat will be shifting more toward the desert southwest, and these upper troughs will bring better opportunities for, one, knocking our temperatures down to at least near normal, but also bringing in some slightly less humid air. Now again, nothing dramatic, but if we can get those dew points back into the 60s, it at least will allow for more of a seasonable end to May and start to June. Again, nothing dramatic. It's not as though we're really getting into drier air per se, but we ought to at least knock those oppressive dew points out for a little while, and that looks to kind of take us right into the start of June. Severe weather we were mentioning moving along the east coast now, and it kind of extends down into the deep south, but does not really include southeast Louisiana. Models have not been very aggressive with storms here. Again, there is the chance in the next couple of hours. Really what we may benefit from in the coming days are some thunderstorms out to our west, maybe sending us a little bit of high cloudiness. Could see a few bubbling up during the afternoon hours tomorrow. Again, we're going to get that instability just about every day from the west, so triggering that with daytime heating and still plenty of moisture. We will have at times rounds of some heavier rainfall and some hopefully cooling showers as well, if I can get it out there, over the next couple of days. Otherwise, nothing in the way of severe weather really expected looking forward, but some heavy downpours are possible and generally isolated. Partly cloudy skies through the night tonight with overnight lows into the 70s if we can get the dew points lower. Again, probably a very similar day to today. 93 degrees our high. We'll have that isolated rain chance during the afternoon hours, and we'll have rain chances just about every day. At the moment, Thursday may be a little bit wetter than the other days, but wouldn't pay too much attention to the individual chances of some showers. It will turn a little bit more seasonable, not exactly cooler, but near normal temperatures with slightly less humid air, and that'll take us right through the weekend and early next week.
No se siente